Very good morning, all of you. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Dear students, let me adjust. Everything is okay, beta. Visible, board is visible. Now I think it is okay. Okay. Okay, beta. Today I have discussed about the topic AIDS. After the AIDS, I discussed some. Puneet sent me some worksheets. He's not able to solve it. Let me check now whether he's able to solve or not. One student from grade 9th always present in 10I class. Why? He always stand attendance during your class. Good morning, Puneet. Good morning, Amarjeet. Good morning, Haraza. Jaswinder, beta, wait for inheritance chapter, beta. Tomorrow I start inheritance chapter, and tomorrow I discuss a topic related to your question only. Then I discuss anything else later on. Clear? Yes, Jaswinder, give me answer. Let me discuss tomorrow inheritance chapter. Definitely I discuss a question because this question is from inheritance chapter. When I discuss the topic, I discuss your question also. Good morning, Puneet. Puneet, today I discuss the worksheet given by you also. Today I just send you answers also. And some question I solve selective 2, 3 because it is not able to solve all the question. But I just send you answer of all the questions. Is that clear? Answer of all the question I will send you the worksheet which you have sent to me. Even to all the students, I just send the worksheet as well as that answer key. But 2, 3 question only I will discuss because tomorrow I have to start inheritance chapter also. From that answer key, if you feel any doubt later on, then let me know. Then I discuss that question also. Is that clear? And now, right now, because many of the students, especially just Vinder, they have many doubts from inheritance chapter. So tomorrow onwards, I start a chapter of inheritance. Okay. Now, first of all, the topic which is left, that is AIDS. AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Wait. Good morning, Deepak. Okay. Now let's start a topic. Let me check how many students are present today. Today total strength is 7 students. Okay. Today's हाँ जी. Yes. What do you mean by AIDS? And beta, if you see the past paper, many of the questions I have seen yesterday come from this topic AIDS. This is one of the important topic, AIDS. हाँ जी. Yes, I got answer from one of the student, Akshit. It is a disease caused by sexual contact. Wait, beta, let me start the topic. AIDS. हाँ जी. First of all, you should know by meaning of AIDS. What do you mean by A? A is not born with. Not born with means acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Acquired means transmitted from person to person. Like it is not acquired from birth. बर्थ में तभी हो सकती है लाइक जब मदर से फिटस को हो. That is a one case. Otherwise, it is not acquired. It is a disease that is not born with. It just acquired means transmitted from one person to another. Immune. This is acquired. Immune related to defense mechanism of body. It is related to it affect the body immune system part of body. Immune system means which fight against infectious diseases. This is acquired immune deficiency syndrome. Acquired means transmitted from one person to another. It is not born with. Immune, it mainly affects the immune system of the body. Immune system which protect the body, act as a soldier and scavenger of the body, protect the body against diseases. Deficiency syndrome. Deficiency का मतलब होता है not working properly. Malfunctioning of body immune system. Malfunctioning of body immune system. Syndrome. What do you mean by syndrome? Is a group of signs and symptoms. Like group of syndrome का meaning होता है group of signs and symptoms. Like syndrome का मतलब होता है एक person है affected with AIDS. A person affected with AIDS may have experience of wide range of other diseases also. That person, if that person is suffering from cold, it very soon it will be just leads to pneumonia. If that person is suffering from cough, very soon it will be leads to tuberculosis because of poor defense mechanism of body. Clear? So full form of AIDS is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Clear? हाँ जी. AIDS जो होता है like it directly AIDS is caused by HIV virus. H मतलब human immunodeficiency virus. Means to say like this virus है AIDS is not AIDS is disease but HIV cause that disease. ठीक है, ये separate है. Sometimes student get confused in this thing. Like अगर कोई question पूछते हैं तो वो बोल आंसर दे देते हैं HIV. HIV is not disease. HIV is a causative agent that cause disease that is responsible for AIDS. ठीक है, it is a causative agent human immunodeficiency virus. Clear है? अब ये जो होता है that virus क्या करता है? What is the function of this virus? Virus directly attack. Pawan, why are you late, बच्चे? Why are you late? Yes, beta. Why are you late? Yes, Pushp, you are right. Syndrome means symptoms and sign. I have not received good morning message from Gurcharan, Swayam, Muskan. These 3 students, I have not get any good morning message. So afterwards, after this class, they have to just give me answer of this, why they are not sending me attendance. Okay. So HIV is a virus, AIDS is disease. HIV develop into AIDS. ठीक है. AIDS मतलब क्या होता है? एड्स का वायरस होता है HIV, जस्ट डायरेक्टली अटैक ऑन आवर इम्यून सिस्टम. नॉर्मली क्या होता है, जो अवर इम्यून सिस्टम क्या करता है, ये करता है हमें प्रोटेक्ट करके रखता है फ्रॉम वेरियस डिजीजेस, बिकॉज इट स्टार्ट्स, बिकॉज जो इम्यून सिस्टम होता है ना, इसके अंदर ओके जो इम्यून सिस्टम होता है, द इम्यून सिस्टम, दे कंटेन अ special kind of cells called white blood cells in our body. White blood cells 2 types के होते हैं. One is phagocytosis and one is, let me explain it in detail. White blood cells are of 2 types: phagocytes, lymphocytes. फेगोसाइट्स क्या करते हैं? एनी फॉरेन पार्टिकल्स, लाइक एनी पैथोजन. पैथोजन होता है इन्फेक्शियस एजेंट. नाउ आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट एड्स, आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट जनरल immune system. If you know about immune system, then you will be able to understand that AIDS. Otherwise, if you don't know anything else about immune system, you will be not able to understand about AIDS. This is now regarding our immune system. Immune system consists of WBC, white blood cell. Jaswinder, one thing, if you can't wait, then I just send you that the answer question you have asked. I just send you reply today. Your question. We don't wait for inheritance chapter. If you don't wait for inheritance chapter to start it, because it will take time. I have to cover all the doubts of sexual reproduction, because many doubts I have received from Puneet also, and I am very much sure you all are not aware, like you will be not able to solve that question also. So it is my responsibility to first cover that chapter which we are just doing. If you are like if you want कि तुम्हारा डाउट पहले से क्लियर हो जाए before inheritance chapter, definitely I just send you the answer and just call you and discuss that question with you. Okay. Phagocytes, lymphocytes. Phagocytes क्या करते हैं? Phagocytes, like any bacteria, any pathogen when enter into body, ठीक है? Then phagocyte, white blood cells produces 2 kinds of cells, like phagocytes, lymphocytes. Now if I'm just talking about phagocytes that recognize that pathogen. Pathogen also contain a special kind of protein molecule that is called antigen. When that pathogen enter into body, then phagocytic cells, what they do, they just recognize that antigen or pathogen, and they just engulf it, break it, and this process is called phagocytosis. Okay. In second kind of cell is lymphocytes. Lymphocyte is further divided into 2 type of cell. It consists of B cells, T cells. These cells produce antibodies. Antibodies क्या होते हैं? Antibodies that fight against, it is a chemical. ठीक है, these are the chemicals that fight against antigen. Like every log, there is particular key. Same, this is a pathogen, like infectious agent, like bacteria, virus. हर pathogen के ऊपर एक infectious agent होता है. सॉरी, एंटीजन होता है, दैट इज अ प्रोटीन मॉलिक्यूल. ठीक है. अब बॉडी में जब वो एंटर करता है, our immune system gets when an pathogen enter into body, our immune system gets activated in response to that pathogen and start producing that antibodies by these cells. ठीक है. एंटीबॉडीज क्या करता है? दैट रिकॉग्नाइज एंटीजन. एंटीबॉडी को पैथोजन से मतलब नहीं होता. इम्यून सिस्टम गेट्स एक्टिवेटेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट विद द एंट्री ऑफ पैथोजन, बट एंटीबॉडी को मतलब होता है एंटीजन से. जैसे कि हर लॉग के लिए की होती है, इसी तरह से एंटीजन के अकॉर्डिंग ही बॉडी में एंटीबॉडीज प्रोड्यूस होते हैं. दे आर स्पेसिफिक. Every log has a particular key. Every antigen produce specific kind of antibodies for particular disease. हर disease के लिए specific antibodies होते हैं. सेम एंटीबॉडीज नहीं होते, देन एंटीबॉडीज fight against that, bind with that. Let's suppose this is antibodies producing body, you recognize that antigen, bind it, kill its effect. Now that pathogen will not be able to multiply in the body. In this way, our immune system protect us from diseases, act as soldier and squencher for the body, for all the diseases. But in case of HIV, what happens in case of HIV? Push PS, what is your question, beta? Question mark, with question mark, I will not be able to understand what you want to do. Okay, question is, beta, first of all, in between, don't send me question. I can just do one work. या तो मैं पढ़ा सकती हूँ, या तो आपके मोबाइल लेके बस क्वेश्चंस देख सकती हूँ. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन बेटा हमेशा एंड में भेजा करो 10 मिनट्स में, so that I just check the mobile and give you answer. It is very difficult for me to see the mobile, as well as I can just see mobile only when I just ask the question, MCQs. Then I just check the answer. Yes, you are sending and you are sending. I have to just reply. But when I'm just busy in the teaching, it will be difficult for me to just see the messages and give the reply. Ma'am, AIDS is contagious. Beta, see, AIDS जो डिजीज होती है ना, बताती हूँ, वेट करो, पेशेंस रखो. इसके बाद यही टॉपिक आएगा कि कैसे डिजीज स्प्रेड करती है, किस तरह से करती है, कौन से फैक्टर से नहीं करती. हैव सम पेशेंस, लेट मी डिस्कस दिस टॉपिक. ओके, इसके बाद यही टॉपिक आएगा, देन डेफिनेटली योर डाउट विल बी क्लियर. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज कहाँ थी मैं? इफेक्ट ऑफ HIV on human. Topic is effect of HIV on immune system. हाँ जी बेटा, सी HIV क्या करता है? HIV डायरेक्टली अटैक ऑन आवर इम्यून सिस्टम. बाकी केसेस में तो हम बच जाते हैं बिकॉज अवर इम्यून सिस्टम प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम डिजीजेस, बट HIV में वायरस होता है डायरेक्टली अटैक ऑन इम्यून सिस्टम, या अटैक इम्यून सिस्टम पे करता है. देन व्हाट हैपेंस? इम्यून सिस्टम इज नॉट एबल टू प्रोड्यूस एंटीबॉडीज. ठीक है, सो स्मॉल इन्फेक्शन नाउ, लाइक अवर डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म विल नॉट वर्क प्रॉपरली. ठीक है, वो जस्ट स्मॉल इन्फेक्शन लाइक स्मॉल कोल्ड, वेरी सून इट विल बी लीड्स टू pneumonia. Small infection leads to a big problem because our defense mechanism will not help us. Okay, so this is the effect of HIV on immune system. Clear? Now next question is incubation period. Incubation period. What is the incubation period of AIDS? What do you mean by incubation period? Incubation period होता है effect of like infectious agent, ठीक है, or you can say and development of symptoms. Like effect हुआ है body में infectious agent का, enter किया है, और symptoms कब develop हुए हैं, उसने अपना काम अंदर कितना टाइम लगाया. तो in between जो time period होता है that is called incubation. Clear? Incubation period कितना होता है? It will be a 6 months to 6 year. It will be a 6 months to 6 years. Clear? This is the incubation period. Clear है बच्चे? Okay. Next is after incubation period. Next come to a mode of transmission. How disease spread? Now, beta, push. You will get your answer. Mode of transmission of disease. Beta, maybe it will take 2-3 days to solve the question because Puneet asked me 2-3 worksheet and that worksheet is tough. हो सकता है आपको भी एग्जाम में ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आ जाएं, तो मुझे वो वर्कशीट्स डिस्कस करनी है आपसे सारे क्वेश्चन. So it will take more time to discuss this chapter because after AIDS I just discuss certain question from the past papers related to this chapter जो बिल्कुल सिंपल नहीं है, थोड़ा सा मॉडिफाई किया हुआ है. You should know all about questions. क्लियर है बेटा? आपको पता होना चाहिए इन क्वेश्चंस का. क्योंकि चैप्टर करने का कोई फायदा नहीं है अगर आप क्वेश्चन सॉल्व ना कर पाओ। तो इसलिए जसविंदर को तो मैं आज ही अपना उसका जो क्वेश्चन है उसका डाउट आंसर क्लियर कर दूंगी, नहीं तो उसको टेंशन ही लगेगी मैडम मेरा डाउट कब क्लियर होगा। क्लियर? Okay, Jaswinder, because it will just take time to cover this chapter. Jaswinder, I'm just talking with you. Give me answer, yes or no. Is it okay what I'm saying? Yes. Jaswinder, I'm talking with you, bache. Okay, anyhow. Next is regarding mode of transmission. हाँ जी, कैसे ट्रांसमिट करता है बेटा? एक तो ब्लड प्रोडक्ट से, वन इज रिगार्डिंग ब्लड थ्रू इन्फेक्टेड ब्लड, लाइक इन्फेक्टेड ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन के टाइम पे, ब्लड डोनेशन के टाइम पे हो सकता है कि इन्फेक्टेड ब्लड हो, HIV वायरस हो, चेक ना करे, वो डायरेक्टली किसी दूसरे को दे दे, उससे हो जाता है। ठीक है, क्या कहते हैं, सीमन सबको पता है क्या होता है, ब्रेस्ट मिल्क से, ठीक है, जब मदर बेबी को ब्रेस्ट मिल्क देती है उससे भी हो जाता है। ठीक है, डिलीवरी के टाइम पे हो जाता है बच्चे को, ठीक है, लेबर के टाइम पे, डिलीवरी के टाइम पे, और यू कैन से थ्रू प्लेसेंटा, everyone is aware about placenta. It is a connection between mother and fetus. ठीक है, तो मतलब मदर को है, प्रेग्नेंट लेडी को है, तो बच्चे को भी हो जाएगा। क्लियर है? उसके बाद ड्यूरिंग नीडल्स, शेयरिंग नीडल, लाइक पर्सन को एड्स है, वही नीडल सेम यूज कर ली, इन्फेक्टेड रेजर that which we use for shaving, ठीक है, थ्रू सेक्स अनप्रोटेक्टेड इंटरकोर्स, उससे भी हो जाता है। ठीक है, नाउ क्वेश्चन इज हाउ HIV is not transmitted. ये तो कि how HIV is transmitted. Now how HIV is not transmitted. हाँ जी, कैसे नहीं होता? हगिंग, contact with sweat, tears, urine, feces, bathing, swimming pool in the same pool, sharing cooking utensils, cups, toilet seats, bedding, telephone, towels. ठीक है, इस तरह से बेटा HIV ट्रांसमिट नहीं होता। क्लियर है? इवन कि इफ द फूड प्रिपेयर बाय इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन, तब भी नहीं होता। नाउ आई थिंक पुष्प इट इज क्लियर टू यू व्हाट यू आस्क्ड मी। ठीक है, मतलब ये सिर्फ ब्लड के कंटेक्ट से होता है, इन्फेक्टेड ब्लड से ही होता है, पास करता है। ठीक है, ऐसे नहीं जाएगा, लाइक हग करने से नहीं जाएगा, टॉवल यूज करने से नहीं जाएगा। ठीक है, क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट आर द साइन एंड सिम्टम्स। और बेटा ये मत सोचना कि अगर साइन एंड सिम्टम ये है तो इससे एड्स है, बिकॉज साइन एंड सिम्टम्स आर कॉमन फॉर मेनी ऑफ द डिजीज, इट डज नॉट इंडिकेट अ पर्टिकुलर डिजीज। ठीक है, क्लियर है? Sign and symptoms of disease. हाँ जी, साइन एंड सिम्टम ऑफ एड्स, क्या क्या इसके सिम्टम्स होंगे बेटा? एक तो फीवर, स्वेटिंग, वेट लूज, परसिस्टेंट स्किन रैशेस। ठीक है, उसके बाद सवियर परसिस्टेंट डायरिया, विजन लॉस, नजिया मीन्स वॉमिटिंग टाइप फीलिंग। सो ऑल दीज आर सिम्टम्स। ठीक है, और बाकी ये होता है कि स्मॉल इन्फेक्शन लीड्स टू बिग प्रॉब्लम। इज दैट क्लियर? So this was all about AIDS. ठीक है, now next come to that we have discussed. Now बच्चे, second question I want to discuss with you, sent by Puneet, and these are very very important questions. Okay, let me open the worksheet. First of all, I want to ask from you about these questions. Okay, beta, Puneet, beta, give me answer one question. Wait, I think your mobile number, contact number is changed. Okay, Puneet, beta, one thing, after the discussion of all the topics in live class, have you seen that worksheet which you have sent to me? Give me honest reply. The worksheet which you have sent me, you have seen or not? Yes. Yes, beta batao, whether you have seen or not. The worksheet which you have sent to me, you have seen or not? I want reply. Yes, Puneet, I'm just talking with you. Not seen. Why you have not seen? Why you have not seen, bachi? Because many of the question, if you have just attend my live class, many of the question you will be able to solve, because morning 6 o'clock I have seen that worksheet. नो बेटा, बिकॉज अगर आपने वर्कशीट सॉल्व की होती ना तो आपको कोई डाउट रहना नहीं था, और काफी सारे डाउट्स ना उसमें इनहेरिटेंस से भी है, वो चैप्टर मिक्स है, वो डाउट्स है सिर्फ उस चैप्टर के नहीं है, उसमें इनहेरिटेंस के भी क्वेश्चंस हैं. आई हैव सीन. ओके, सो मुझे तो एक क्वेश्चन एक दो डिस्कस कर लेती हूँ, देन सॉल्व इट. इफ यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व, then it is okay. Still you find any doubt, let me know. I just send you answer key of that questions so that you will be able to solve that question, so that I can start inheritance chapter also, because after inheritance I have to just clear the doubts of that chapter, transport in animal. And hope one thing bache, hope everyone fill that Google form which I have sent to you. Give me reply, bache. Everyone, you have solved that Google form. Beta, the spelling, the information which you have written on that Google form, okay, that will be sent to a board. Okay, spelling जो भी लिखे हैं आपने, it should be as per your birth certificate, क्योंकि उसके बाद वो change नहीं होंगे. ठीक है? And everyone aware about that candidate number? No confusion at all? Yes, बच्चे, there will be, I think, no confusion at all about candidate number. Okay. Right now, it means right now only 5 students are active. Deepak is on laptop, so not able to reply. 6 students, they are just active. They're just giving me answer. Amarjeet, Harwaza, they're just attending the class but not giving me any answer of my question. Gurcharan, yes, beta Gurcharan, why you are late? 10:30 is not a good morning time for live class. 10:03 I have started the class, bachi. You are very late. Beta, regarding money, they just let you know very soon how to do this about money. But till now, I just got this information only. Okay, bache. Now come to a question. Okay. Let me check the question. Let me ask from you also. Let me beta open that worksheet so that we can just start. Question. Question is, because some question I will just send you on WhatsApp, because it is a picture based question. It is very difficult to draw these pictures on the board. So I just send you that question so that you can just solve the questions. And if you have any doubt in any of the question, please let me know, everyone. everyone, I'm just going to send that worksheets. I know Pushp you have done. Okay, you have done. If you have any of the problem, I just send you answer key also and discuss with you. Okay, okay. Let me ask you question first. Everyone, let me draw the diagram first. Okay, this is the side view of female reproductive system. This is a side view of female reproductive system. But after the class, I just send you worksheet immediately after class so that you can just solve this worksheet. And if you are having, because it is very difficult to solve everything right now in this live class, I just clear your doubts only. Try to solve all the worksheet. If you are having doubt, please let me know till 5 o'clock. Or you can say not till 8 o'clock. You can just tell me so that tomorrow I can solve your doubts from this worksheet. And after that, I have to start that inheritance chapter finally. बिकॉज मुझे इनहेरिटेंस भी करवाना है. ठीक है, ओके. वेयर द आई दिस एस डी एम एफ ई. You have to just give a letter where I have to mention. You just draw it on the, because it is very difficult to do right now here by you. I can solve here. You just draw immediately on the notebook. You have to just send me answer on the WhatsApp, because the question is regarding S, where the penis is inserted during sexual intercourse. You have to just label the S, where we have to just label the S part. Clear? क्वेश्चन है, या तो फिर बुक से देख लो, मैं वैसे समझा देती हूँ. यू हैव टू जस्ट ड्रॉ द डायग्राम. 2-3 स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज ड्रॉ करो डायग्राम को, लेबल करके भेजो. ठीक है. एस कहाँ क्या होता है? वेयर द पेनिस इज इंसर्टेड ड्यूरिंग सेक्सुअल इंटरकोर्स. ये कहाँ पे आएगा? डी इज वेयर इज डायफ्राम would be placed to prevent pregnancy. मैंने बताया था ना डायफ्राम क्या होता है? To prevent the pregnancy. It is a cap. ठीक है, it is a cap where would be placed to prevent pregnancy. Okay. M में you have to just tell where ovum mature. You have to just label with M S D. ओवम मैच्योर कहाँ पे करता है? F फर्टिलाइज कहाँ पे करता है? F वेयर ओवम fertilized. E, where embryo would implanted. Implantation कहाँ पे होती है? Of course uterus पे होती है. Now where is uterus? You have to just tell me. हाँ जी. Please let me know all these. I got one photo from one of the student. हाँ जी बेटा, you have not tell me only S. पुनीत, पुष्प. बेटा आपने आंसर तो बता दिए पुष्प, वेरी गुड, बट आपने वहां पे लेबलिंग भी करनी है. डायग्राम ड्रॉ करके लेबल करके मेरे को भेजो. पुष्प गिव मी आंसर. मैम आई एम नॉट हैविंग नोटबुक नाउ. तो बेटा घर से भेजू, पार्सल कर दूं नोटबुक? नहीं है. यू कैन जस्ट टेक एनी पेज. बेटा और ये बेसिक है, जब आप लाइव क्लास अटेंड करते हो नोटबुक बुक्स शुड बी ओपन ऑलवेज. मेरी डॉटर है वो सुबह से खोल लेती है. हाँ जी बेटा, आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर योर आंसर. Beta, which point you did not understand? S is penis inserted into women during the sexual intercourse. D, diaphragm. Diaphragm क्या होता है? Cap होता है to prevent the pregnancy, which I have just discussed day before yesterday. Would be placed to prevent pregnancy. You have to just tell. F, where the ovum mature. E, M, ovum mature. F, it get fertilized. E, where embryo implantation occur. ठीक है? Beta, Gurcharan, you are not clear with the question, so you have to just come on time. Let me see the answers given by you. हाँ जी बेटा. Now come to a topic. Yes, let me check. Akshit have sent. Ovary तो सबको clear है. This is ovary and this is ovidum. This is M. This is F. ठीक है बेटा. It is clear to everyone. Now about uterus. This is uterus. This is what? E. Any point in uterus. You can just any point. Clear है? Then come to a next point, that is vagina. Vagina कहाँ पे है? Here. Any point in vagina. Vagina में कौन सा point आएगा? S. Clear है बेटा? Let me check what you have sent. Push. Wait. Push ने कर दिया है. Let me see. M ठीक है. Now I'm just talking about answer given by push. M is correct. F is correct. E is correct. S is correct. D is correct. Yes, D is correct. Very good push. Everything is okay. Okay. Now I just got answer from Puneet. Let me check. Puneet. M. E. पुनीत मेरे को तो तेरा डायग्राम नहीं बचे. पुनीत F नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे बचे. F यहाँ पे आएगा. M this ovary. Answers given by you is wrong. Push, very good. Everything is correct. Akshit, little bit amendments are required regarding M. M ovary यहाँ पे है बच्चे. Ovary is here. Clear है बेटा? And F is here. Fallopian duct. Yes. Okay. Now come to a next question. By next question related to this topic. Same question. Let me check the question. Question is, beta, that is only subjective type question. Everyone is aware. No need to just write and send me answer. Question is very easy that we have discussed in this live class already. How ovum pass down to the uterus? How ovum passes down to the uterus, and by next question is you have to just explain the structure of the sperm enable it to reach the ovum. That we have discussed कि like enzymes होते हैं chromosome पे उसके साथ fertilize करते हैं, already discussing. But question you should know कि what type of question they can ask. The structure of the sperm enable it to reach the ovum. In this, you have to explain that how that enzyme just fertilize cross that follicle that cells and cross the wall of zona plusidia, then just enter and fertilize with that nucleus. That I had discussed before yesterday. The process of that fertilization, if you remember. Then you have to just solve this question. Try to solve this question. Then next question is a level of a hormone. You have to just tell the level of a hormone which prevent menstruation remains high during pregnancy even after the corpus luteum has broken down. You have to just tell the level of the hormone, which hormone which prevent menstruation remains high during pregnancy even after the corpus luteum has broken down. Yes, beta, tell me. Yes, beta, I'm just waiting for your answer. Yes, beta, which hormone produced that time? We have discussed yesterday, day before yesterday, about hormones. Progesterone. I think some students not able to understand the question. Yes, Push, very good. It is progesterone. Wonderful answer given by you. Very good. Puneet, hope you are very clear to it. Puneet, hope now you are able to understand the question. बेटा see if the concepts are clear ना, अगर रिप्रोडक्शन चैप्टर अभी आपने अच्छे से समझ लिया है, every question is simple, but you should know how to solve it. जो अच्छे से मैंने पढ़ाया है ना लाइव क्लासेस में, अगर आप उसको अच्छे से गो थ्रू हो जाओ, अच्छे से एक बार बुक को रीड करो, definitely you will be able to solve all the questions. Even you don't need any answer key for it. Go through the topics, all the topics once. Everything I have discussed, even one single line I have discussed in the live class. Again. Clear, beta? Okay, beta. Now time is over. I think I have to leave the class. Push, yes, you agree with me? Okay, I have discussed single line, everyone. Yes, I got answer from that Pavan also. Pavan. Yes, beta, I have just discussed single line. Now, if you just go through all the book, everything in detail, like go through it once, you will be able to solve all the questions. Clear, beta? Okay. Now, bache, I think time is over. आफ्टर दिस देयर आर सो मैनी क्वेश्चंस बेटा, अगर मैं इसको डिस्कस करना स्टार्ट कर दूंगी ना, तो आई विल जस्ट कवर ओनली वन चैप्टर. So what you have to do, I just send you worksheet. First of all, before solving worksheet, just go through the topic sexual reproduction in animal. Go through it. Watch my recorded video. Go through the book in detail. Then, if you get open the worksheets, you will be 100% sure you will be able to solve all the questions. Clear, beta? Puneet, first of all, give me answer. Then I will add your number. Akshit and Puneet, I just add you new contact number in IGCSE group. But Puneet, give me answer. Now, will you be able to solve that questions, the worksheet questions? Okay. Because बच्चे, first of all, you have to go through it. अगर आप बिना देखे बुक पे बोल दो कि मैं ये क्वेश्चन नहीं सॉल्व कर पाऊंगा, तो कोई भी नहीं कर पाएगा ना. Everything I have covered. Just go through it. Book, read the content given in book. Watch the videos given by me. I have just sent the recorded video for it. Then 100% sure you will be able to solve the question. And today you all will get the worksheet from my sites. Very soon, if you will not able to solve, I just send you one work and answer key also. Okay, beta. Have a nice day. Time is over. I think I have to leave. Send the Google form. If you have not filled, please tell your other friends to join the class. Okay, Push, let me know. Swayam was present. Swayam and Muskan was present in the physics class. Physics class, they were present or not, Push? Let me know. I'm just waiting for your answer. Okay, beta, have a nice day.